have stretch mark. Some people are saying stretch mark is not good. They have stretch mark and they have been using everything within their power and it's not going, or it's not curing, or it's not disappearing. My dear, let me tell you something you don't know. Have you been exfoliating your skin? See, if you are using any shea butter cream or this one that I'm prescribing for you now, before it can work, before it can go down to your skin, you know what you do for me? Get an onion, cut it big, put sprinkle what is it called, salt on top of it. Use it and exfoliate the place, like exfoliate it very well. Let the dead cell be removed around the area. Then rub anything you are using, any shea butter cream you are using, use it on that place. My dear, you'll get a bountiful result and you'll come and thank me later. Okay guys, so let's do this. Yes. Hi lovelies, how you all are doing? As for me, I'm fine. I greet you according to your time. Whenever you're watching me from, I greet you according to your time. If today is your first time, you are welcome. And if you are new to this channel, I thought you are new, you don't know who's in front of you. My name is Miriam Lamzi, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja. Okay, but presently now, I'm serving in Anambra. Okay, obeying the clarion call. So if you have not subscribed, if you have not grab me for more videos, for more natural house, more vlog, how you can treat yourself at the comfort of your home, just with a natural ingredient. That is what the channel is all about mostly. And guys, please, it's not by subscribing alone. After you subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you'll not miss any of my video. When I get to upload, YouTube will notify you. Okay guys, you will be the first to be notified because you are so special. Thank you so much. Thank you, my returning subscriber. I love you all. I want to thank you. Thank you. God will continue to bless you, reward you. Thank you, because I'm not the one buying data for you to watch me. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Okay, enough of the greeting. Okay, let's go to today's video, why we are here. Okay, in today's video, we are going to talk about two important things. Okay, we are going to talk about stretch mark and scar. Okay, do you have this annoying stretch mark on your body, any part of your body at all? Don't worry, Miriam Lamzi got you covered. And do you have that deep scar, like you have an accident, or you have a wound, like an old scar that has been disturbing you, that has been bothering you? You can't be able to wear that mini skirt, or you can't be able to dress proper because of the scar. Don't worry, Miriam Lamzi got you covered. So I'm going to share three natural ingredients, that you can use in getting rid of that permanently, totally. Don't worry, relax, grab anything grabbable, grab your popcorn, okay, so that you will go straight to the explanation. Guys, you know why I'm sharing this with you? I have stretch mark. Do you know what brought that stretch mark to my body or on my skin? Is when I changed my cream, the cream I was using before, I changed it to lemon fresh. Lemon fresh really dealt with me. That's what brings the stretch mark on my skin or on my body. Anyhow you can put it, guys, because English no be our mates, we just dey learn. So guys, I have a prepared one already, because the one I'm going to do this video is to go to explain it for you down from the beginning to the end. You are going to get it as we used to do it on this channel. I'm going to explain everything to you and you are going to get it. Okay guys, so I have a prepared one. Let me show you my own that I prepared. Look at it. Let me show you. Sorry. Okay, you can see it. This is my own shea butter, and that I mix with the ingredient I'm about to share with you. Okay, look at it. This is my own. So guys, I normally tell people, like, I don't know why, anything I'm doing, shea butter is the best. Like, I love shea butter. Anything that I'm doing that needs to be moisturized and all of that, I use shea butter. But what I'm going to tell you in this video, please don't use refined shea butter. Use original one, direct. Go to your local market, buy the direct shea butter. That is the local shea butter. Okay guys, so enough of the explanation. Let's get right into the video or the explanation. Okay guys, let's go. So guys, the first one is going to be shea butter. So let's explain shea butter in details, how shea butter helps in getting rid of your stretch mark or that deep scar that you have on your body or anywhere at all. Let's explain it in a detail as we used to, so that you can get a bountiful result. Okay guys, let's go there. Shea butter contains fatty acid and minerals, and it also helps in healing quickly, and it has anti-inflammatory. Okay guys, using shea butter for your skin is very good. Okay guys, the second one is python fat. Yes, we all know python. You know python fat. It looks like shea butter, but it's not shea butter, it's python fat. Let's talk about it. Let's explain it in detail. How can python fat treat your stretch mark or your dark or your deep scar. Okay, let's look at it. Let's explain it to the fullest. Okay, guys. So guys, this is how python fat look like. It look like shea butter, but this is not shea butter. It contain omega-3 fatty acid, so it help in closing your deep scar and your stretch. Last but not the least is plantain peels. That is unripe plantain peels. Let's look at it. How did unripe plantain get into this? Marylandzi, I love you all. Let's go. Let's explain it how you can use it at the comfort of your home. After washing this, you will not be throwing your plantain peels anyhow, both ripe and unripe. You'll not be throwing it anyhow. If I were you, as from today, I'll be storing it, like I'll be drying it. After I dry it, I'll blend it, okay? Because it's a good remedy, a very good one at that. Let's go. Let's explain it in detail, okay? So guys, this is the plantain, and I mean the plantain back, not the seed inside, okay? And you are going to use unripe one, okay? This thing you are seeing here contain fiber, vitamins and minerals, so it help in your stretch mark and your scar, okay? Any type of scar you have at all, this is going to help you a lot. So guys, how to use it is written below. So get your shea butter, 2 spoons of python oil and 1 spoon of your dry plantain. Then mix it together, mix it smoothly and rub it on the affected side. You will get a bountiful. Okay guys, if you find this video very interesting, of course I know you do, please give it a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones, your family and friends, okay? Share it to the people around you, okay? When you get to your friends, you get to your friends. Okay guys, share it with your loved ones, your family, okay? Share this video for me, okay? Let it go viral so that people can treat themselves at the comfort of their home. And guys, there's something I want to play you, okay? If you know this ingredient that I just listed now, that you can't be able to get in touch, like you can't be able to get it around your area, okay? Just DM me, okay? You can follow me on Instagram and my Facebook. I will leave it in the description box, anything, okay? So that you can just get to reach me. Please make sure anything you are buying, don't just go and buy fake python fat, because it has a fake one, okay? Just don't buy the fake one, buy the original one. When you buy the original one, that is when you will get a bountiful result, a very good result. And the shea butter, please don't use refined one, use the local shea butter. Go to your local market and buy local shea butter, don't use refined one. And get the plantain again. The plantain should be unripe plantain, and not even the seed. It is the back, the unwanted one that people throw it away, okay? So you can use that one, not the seed inside. Okay guys, I know you find this video very interesting. Please guys, share this video for me, okay? Share it for me, please share it. See you in my next one. Bye bye. I know you'll come and thank me later, because you are going to get a bountiful result. And when you are using it, use it at night, okay? After you take your bath, that is when you get a bountiful result. Always use it, but you can use it if you know you don't have anywhere to go. You can use it, but always use it at night so that it can relax on your body, okay guys? So see you in my next one. Bye bye.